Hey everyone, Nicholas here and welcome back to another video on Crippled Tech. And it's been a long time since another video on this channel. I've been busy with assignments and Chinese New Year. I still have quite a bit to learn in time management, but I'm not abandoning this channel. I will be making more content for this channel. So before we start on this video, you've seen the title, you know that we're cleaning this PC behind me today, and well, the camera angle is a bit, I don't have anyone to film for me today, so yeah, it's a one-man show today. Before we start, I urge you to, if you have some interest, you can subscribe to this channel for more content on PC related tech. Maybe you can help share this channel to all over social media, because your share and subscribe is really important to me right now on a very new growing channel. So I'm trying to increase my subscriber count as much as I can, so your share and subscribe will be very much appreciated. So without further delay, let's start. So I'm now behind the setup right here, and before I start cleaning the PC and the peripherals, I unplug everything, including, actually I unplug the power first, switch off the power supply first, and then I unplug every connection. So this is the display port connection, unplug it, and then all the cables are on the floor right now. And then I'm gonna move the PC away and then clean up the peripherals here. Don't crush the mic. Okay, you just saw me going around the setup, vacuuming all the dust, cleaning the monitor and the peripherals, and now we can move on to the PC itself. I have no idea if I'm in frame or not, so I'm just crouching a little to avoid my face being cut off. And so to clean this PC, I'm gonna remove the front panel, and then clean the intake and the exhaust first, and then we'll clean the entire exterior and opening it up and clean the interior. So let's Okay, front panel is now off, and now you can see how dusty the interior is and the graphics card itself. So To clean the interior, I'm gonna remove the graphics card and then the RAM, and then I'm gonna vacuum everything up.
雨降ってるね。こういう日ってアイスとか食べたくなるかも。
I forgot to plug this in. Well, it's time to plug everything back in, and I'll go through the exterior cleaning again to touch up all the scratches that I did just now. So let's now plug everything back in. That's pretty much it for this desktop setup cleaning video right here. I think this is the first video that I did that is a one-man show, so I did everything myself, filming all the content and editing myself. So if you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to Crippled Tech for more PC related tech content coming at you real soon. I am not abandoning this channel. I'll be making more videos for this channel, so if you're interested, click subscribe right now. I need more subscribers that I can get. If you don't, you can help by just sharing this channel to your friends and family. Just subscribe and share is really important to me right now, and because I'm growing the channel and I'm gonna need all the subscribers that I can get. So go down there and click the big red subscribe button. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.